Arr, and welcome to City Trekker. Sorry, doing a pirate thing. I'm a dork. If that's gonna be a problem between the two of us, we need to part ways right now. No offense taken, either way. Peter McKinnon is a renowned photographer and YouTuber. And on his Instagram account, Pete the Pirate, he will release a different EDC product, like a coin or a pen, and it will sell out in just mere minutes. So I'm gonna open up a few of those EDC products right now, and we're gonna start with the Kraken Coin version 2. I have not yet opened this package, so I haven't seen the contents. We're gonna experience this together. And the box is pretty cool. You've got the Fly the Flag motto. On the bottom it says, turn over, wrong side, Einstein. So we're gonna open this up from the top. You've got the Kraken symbol right here. Ooh. So that's it for the contents, and then we get this nice little sticker here. So let's open this up. Nice. So we've got this nice wooden box puzzle here. It's not immediately obvious how to open this thing. So I can see here, it seems to be a cutout. So if I do this, it'll come out. Now here we've got a nice leather coin sleeve. And then this is the Pete the Pirate Kraken version 2 coin. So you've got the skull and cross blades on one side and the Kraken on the other. At the bottom here it says FUGERE A VEXILLUM, which is Latin for, wait for it, fly the flag. The coin fits nicely into this little leather coin sleeve here. This is nice. So that's it, the Kraken version 2 coin. Now let's get into our second box. I've got a few accessories here. We got the same box as the other one. Got another sticker here, thanks Pete. And these are the field journals. They come in a bundle of 3 and they're all the same. So as you can see, we still got the pirate theme going on here, and instead of lines on the inside, it's a dot journal. Next we've got this candle. Interesting. So this is like I think this is copper, and it's got this enclosure here, pops open. It smells interesting. It's an interesting scent. I can't quite place it, but the website says it's a rum scent. I don't drink rum, so maybe this is what rum smells like. Okay. I should use this on my review channel. You know, light the candle as the review is going on. Finally, we had this collaboration with Peter McKinnon and Big Idea Design. Got some more stickers, some spare parts, and this copper pen. Ooh, this is nice. Has a nice weight to it, even though it's a small pen. So you've got the skull and cross blades at the top here. This copper pen is really nice, really small. Twist it to open it, and when you're closing it, it doesn't stop. So you don't want to keep going or the pen will come apart. There we go. So basically when you close it, you just want to get the end of the pen on the inside. I think this pen will go well with these field journals and should patina well. So yes, these items are overpriced, but I see it almost like a big tip jar, and you're getting a product, and you're able to show support from a YouTuber that you're benefiting from their content. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video today, and if you did, please click the like button below and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks so much, and take care. Army matey!